Christmas is finally over and it's time for a big old clean up and a declutter of this house. Really hope you've all enjoyed a few days off from cleaning. I know I have, which is why my home is looking like this. It's a total mess and I've got absolutely no shame in showing you exactly what my house looks like. The bin men have come and taken away all the rubbish from Christmas, and now that my slate is clean and the bins are empty, I'm going to get going and do a huge declutter of the whole upstairs. I've repacked my cleaning caddy, that always gets me in the mood to clean, and I've got a great playlist of 2023 tunes blasting away in the background, so let's get on with it. I'm not walking into 2024 with a messy home. I've started off in the two little ones room. If you don't know me, I'm a stay-at-home mum to 5 young kids. My youngest 2 share and my eldest 3 share as well. I've got 4 girls and 1 boy. I don't know how she's done it, but my youngest has messed up her bed. It looks as though she smeared some chocolate all over her bedsheet, so she got some clean ones on. Now today, the grand plan was to clean the kids' room's carpet. If you don't know, I picked up this carpet cleaner a couple of weeks ago, and I've been absolutely obsessed with getting everything clean. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, so drop me any tips that you might have for me, because it's done a really, really good job. Maybe it's at the carpets, so I'm just beyond saving, but I gave it my best shot, and I really enjoyed getting a lot of the stains out and loving the water dumps. In my bedroom, it's not too bad in here because I have been trying to keep on top of it. I've done a lot of cleaning off camera. I also deep cleaned my carpets off camera. I just didn't feel like filming at all. So my room was just a quick bed make, and I vacuumed up some carpet powder that I put down. My oldest 3 girls' room is affectionately called the Room of Doom. I don't know how they do it, but they are absolutely lovable, but so messy. I feel like I'm always in here trying to do a deep clean. Started off by making all the beds, picking up all the dirty clothes, doing a quick reshuffle of my daughter's clothes. We are going to be sorting out the clothing in their room this year. Tesco came, they delivered everything we needed for the week ahead. I then realised it was around lunchtime, so I did have to stop for a minute, make the kids some food. 2 of my children already ate, so I just made it for us 5. I wasn't in the mood for chopping up vegetables, so it is what it is. I have finally sorted out that Kallax. That was a big old job and I forgot to record. It took me a good hour to clean it, declutter it and resort it. I really need to sort out storage for the girls' room before heading down to sort out the carpet. I love my girls, but man, they mess up carpets so bad. I think that white stain is possibly paint or maybe toothpaste. 3 months ago I did a huge declutter of the upstairs cupboard and I re-found a steam cleaner. It was about 8 years old, so I switched it on to see if it still worked, and oh my gosh, it definitely works, and I've re-found my love for steam cleaning. It feels so satisfying to blast everything with scalding steam, and as you can see, it brings everything up like brand new. It might look as though I'm putting the nozzle onto the actual sink and toilet, but I'm not. I promise you it's about a centimetre or 2 away. It does do a really, really good job, but it doesn't get off the stains. So for the sink and for everything, you have to steam it and then give it a wipe over. So I did that all over the sink. It doesn't lift the toothpaste, so I steamed everything and then went over it with some cleaner. I did the same with the bins and the loo seats. At this point, my youngest 3 girls were asking if they could have a bath. So quickly using some Sif mousse to give the bathroom a really good clean. I scrubbed it off camera and then just showed you rinsing it and how clean it is before they hopped in. Because they were in the bath, I wasn't going to film in there, but I did steam and scrub the shower so it's sparkly clean. Like I said, the kids are around because it's still holidays obviously, so I cleaned the bin as well. I really went wild and did such deep cleaning everywhere. I've got heaters on in the bedroom just to try and get the carpets clean. I feel as though the house looks so much better. I've decluttered all the sides of the bedroom and underneath my eldest cabin bed, and I'm so proud of that Kallax. That's taken me a year to do that. But just when you thought the whole upstairs was clean, yep, they've trashed the room already, and wait for it to see what downstairs looked like. Upstairs is done, but oh my good lord, look at the downstairs of my house. It's utterly trashed. So I guess the only question left to ask is, are you ready for a living room deep clean? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll check in with you later. Bye!